Hello everybody, your traveling chef is here today in St. Demetrios Church in Union, New Jersey, taking you on a beautiful tour for the Greek festival today. They have a Greek festival and they donate all the money they make. There's no profit, it goes all to good cause to the church here, and they have wonderful, delicious food. I came here to try some of this great food of the Greek communities, and they have pastries, they have meats, they have souvlaki, every kind of Greek food you can think of. And they also have drinks, Ouzo, everything is going on here. I'm gonna go inside and take you and we'll try together some of those delicious delicacies. So let's go inside and check it out. I have my chef John here next to me. He's cooking some delicious gyros next door to me here. And gyro in Greek means to turn around. So we have this great delicacy turning around, producing this delicious food here. It's made out of lamb and beef and secret spices. I don't know what they are, but my friend John knows everything is all about it. So in a minute we're going to reveal these secrets and get to try some of those delicious delicacies all around. I can't wait to get eating. I'm so hungry. I'm so excited about it. And we're going here, my friend John is here, and my other friend, my Greek friend Koska also. He's a great chef, and they're taking us to offer us some of those great delicacies. I have Yacht here, which is a specialty of the Greek sausages, and you cannot get this sausage anywhere else, but those beautiful guys gonna make it for us. Can't wait to try this great food in a minute and get eating. So let's get inside and get cranking. John, would you like to say something to those guys over here? You're live.
I hope we have a lot of customers today because it's a beautiful day out.
Come here, Koska.
Yesterday they were afraid of Darian.
I'm shy to the camera.
Camera shy, eh?
Yeah.
My friend Costa here is shy, but he's a great chef, so tell us something.
Well, every year we come out here, for our church, our community, to cook, to get some funds, for the rest of the year. This is our biggest fund of the year. So we come and we try, to cook our best food, Greek food, that we have. And a lot of people come and join us, and we have some music over here. We have delicious sweets over there. You gotta go and check it out.
You gotta go see the sweets.
Oh, okay, great. Nice. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Costa. I can't wait to eat your delicious, beautiful food.
When
Cheers.
You try this, try it with tzatziki special sauce.
Thank you.
It's a yogurt garlic sauce.
Alright guys, so I'm at the front of this amazing, specially designed barbecue here. I've never seen this in my life. So it's designed for my friend Costa and my friend John. And Costa's telling us how it is.
Over here they call it shish kebab, we call it Souvlaki. Okay, it's a pork and chicken on the stick.
Nice.
We can also serve on a pita bread, special with tzatziki, tomato, onion,
Nice. Thank you, Costa.
You're welcome.
So this machine, guys, it doesn't need any men. Before we used to stay there and the guys used to turn it
still
around.
have those, in case, we get a lot of busy, which we will tonight. So that's why we have those over there. But for now, we use these.
Very nice. So we came nice and early before it gets very crowded.
Yes.
Costa's telling me it's going to be very jamming with people here. So we tried to give it a nice shot.
After 5, 6 o'clock tonight, it's going to be jamming away.
And I've been to Greece, beautiful country, one of my favorite destinations. And I'm not saying this because I'm here, but it is beautiful and gorgeous country. And they have the most beautiful, delicious food I've ever tasted in my life. And everywhere in Greece, you don't eat much breakfast, right? But Costa, no breakfast in Greece. They skip that, but they get straight to the real business. They eat the lunch, and the lunch about 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, little siesta. People sleep, and they come eat dinner late at night. What time do you eat dinner in Greece, Costa?
From 9 and later, 9 to 12.
And the night goes on, it does not stop.
Yeah.
So let's go and get eating, guys. Okay guys, so that's the first bite of the gyro. That's a delicious looking great bite here it's gonna be. And I have here the shredded slices of the vertical grill. That's why they call it gyro. That means it's rotated around. So I have this gyro, delicious, delicate, great little piece of lamb and beef mixed together. Some tzatziki of that beautiful made out of yogurt sauce. Got tomatoes, vegetables, got the whole lot. So let's get a bit of that first before we go for the bread. So the first bite, cheers. Oh, very nice. It has like a lamby flavor, but not too strong. Usually lamb is very strong. That one is very mild. I can taste the oregano. They have some Greek oregano. Some kind of spices here shown in the taste, and it's very great flavor. So now let me open my mouth wide. And I'm gonna try to fit as much as I can with one bite of this massive giant sandwich. So let's go for this gyro and see how it tastes like. Are you guys ready? Much better with the bread, with all of the condiments, with the tomatoes, the onion, the lettuce. So great, so delicious actually. I'm gonna just have a little snack here, so they give me some French fries. Those guys are great. Give me some beautiful French fries, very delicious. I'm gonna chase it with one more. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna dip with this dipping beautiful tzatziki sauce. That's some other creamy sauce. It goes very well with that. I think with the French fries, very nice. And the Greeks eat a lot of French fries with food, and I like that. Just plain French fries, no seasoning, nothing. And that's great. One more bite here. Very delicious. Very delicious. Very awesome flavor. I haven't had a gyro for a very long time, and that's a great, beautiful bite. Full, very generous, those guys. It's very filled. You just have to be good. The problem is the challenge here. How wide can you open your mouth to eat that great gyro? Cheers to those Greek beautiful friends I met today. You're all wonderful people. Very delicious bite. My next one is gonna be the Souvlaki, and I ordered the chicken Souvlaki. They offer two different Souvlakis. The chicken, which I got, and they also ordered the pork. So I felt like getting a chicken, and it's a very nice long one. And it's very generous. That's great actually, and they only charge $4. God bless them for all of this meat. $4, great. And they also serve it with French fries. So I'm gonna get one of those guys here out and see how soft and how beautiful. And that was cooking in that beautiful charcoal grill. Very soft actually and very juicy. Balanced, not too spicy, not too plain. Just perfect bite. And I'm gonna chase it with one more French fries. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a French fry sandwich. Have you ever tried that? So I wrap my French fries around the Souvlaki, and I saw some of my Greek friends doing that, so I'm gonna copy and paste. And I'm just gonna wrap it around. My mouth is so happy, full of food. Now I'm so enjoying much this thing. Very nice Souvlaki. I love it. So cheers to this beautiful Souvlaki, guys. I love that. got the pastitsio guys here, and it comes with the side of rice. I have that beautiful little Greek flag here. I love that. It's a nice touch. Got the peas here also with some tomatoes. I got nice rice next to it, and the pastitsio is beautiful, made out of some bechamel on the top, ground beef as you can see here, and the pasta in the bottom, and they make it very unique. Very simple, very delicious. Also, they give you a couple of pieces of bread here to come with it, and some free salad. So I can't wait to get this in my mouth and tell you what I think about that taste. So let's try it out. Alright guys, so I'm starting to dig into my pastitsio. I'm gonna take that beautiful Greek flag out here in a second and get to the real deal. I'm gonna get the bread out of the way so I can get to this yummy part, which is the bechamel here, and it looks so delicious. I see the bechamel hugging this gorgeous macaroni and the meat there. So I'm gonna get a bite of that, and I'm gonna add some of this peas in the top of it, and let's see what that tastes like. Honestly, it's like my mother's cooking. Just so delicious. It's not so complicated, just simple food, but made with love. I could feel the love in here. And the love going in my mouth. I'm enjoying this experience. I love Greek food so much that I honestly missed it. I haven't had Greek food for a while now. And one more bite, as you can see. I'm talking, but at the same time, my both hands working hard to get this food in my mouth. So delicious. My mouth is so happy singing with this joy of flavor going there. And I have to chase it with one more bite of this great meat. Again, the ground beef. Pastitsio is all about good ground beef, good quality ground beef. And those long pieces like a snake, kind of a shape, pasta. You get this, a little bit of that peas here. And all of this food here cooked by the mothers who donate their time to come to this festival and cook all of this wonderful food. So I'm gonna try one more time and see how it tastes like again. Very, very nice. Now I'm gonna just cool off with some of this great salad, and I see chunks of those Greek feta. Feta cheese is very beautiful. It's used everywhere. And they told me it's a sheep milk Greek, and that's what I love about it. My mouth is so full, but my eyes are so hungry and my stomach is so happy. But my eyes are going crazy here with all this beautiful food. I'm like a kid in Christmas, going looking all over the place. There's tons of people looking around. Let me try this bit of feta cheese first. So I satisfy myself and I keep talking. Tons of people coming. I came early in the morning. I had a chance to talk to those chefs who are cooking all this food. And they told me, here there's no chefs, only mothers actually. So they were mothers and they were cooking this with love. They come here to the church. Every year, they come once a year and they donate their time and they cook this food like the way they cook it in their mother's home, and they love it. And the food is cooked the way they made it in Greece. And that's what made that festival so special, because people cook with love here and they don't get paid. They just do it for love, and they collect the money from the eaters and they give it to the church, and they do good things with this money. So it's a great cause. I really love it. And I can't get to finish this so fast because I'm so hungry, but I just want to take it easy because it's just so delicious and I don't want to finish this. So let's get to the next dish and see what's going on. Okay, came the sweet part, so I'm gonna try some of those beautiful, great, delicious sweets here. They have everything you can think of. My favorite one here is baklava. This is made of yellow pastry and it's filled with the walnuts, pecan nuts. It's got every kind of beautiful flavor you can think of. Some cinnamon, some honey, some Greek honey. And here also we have this called mola maracona, which is beautiful. It's filled with walnut also. And here they have another one of those guys, and it's called corpiidis. It's got like almond, it's made with butter, and it's got the ouzo. It's got a very nice shot of ouzo, this one also.
For the frappe, okay?
Okay, presto. Thank you. So I'm going to get my coffee now, guys, my frappe.
It's good?
You are the best. Very nice. Cheers.
Come
I
again.
love that. The best frappe.
Thank you.
I swear, very nice. Thank you. You have the touch.
You're welcome.
This beautiful frappe, I can't wait to try that.
Oh, yeah.
So delicious, and I'm not gonna sit down. I'm trying to be multitasked here and get my fingers wrapped around this gorgeous baklava and this fellow pastry. Look at that generous amount of walnuts. Crazy, it's like insane. This thing is insane. So much walnut here, both sides. It's drunk in this great, gorgeous honey. I'm gonna try this. Very nice bite. I had a big bite. I can't talk. I filled my mouth with this delicious, cinnamony, nutty, sweet, filled with love. I love that. The frappe is very strong, much different than any coffee you had. And I tried cold, of course, because it's hot here. Very deep. You can taste the roasted beans of the coffee. Very delicious, very frothy, very creamy. And their frappe was very high. That lady had some great skills. She was really good, doing a great, awesome job with this frappe. And it's so strong, and it really balanced the sweet taste. Right after the sweet taste of this baklava, this delicacy will actually smooth it out, so it's not too sweet. So you have a sip of that. And what I'm gonna do after that great sip, I'm gonna try this kataifi. And the kataifi, for people who don't know what is that, it's like a fellow pastry, very, very thin. It's like almost like a noodle. And it's filled with, again, the nuts, the same story. The nuts, the cloves, the cinnamon, and it's drunk in honey. And look at this honey here. So juicy, so delicious. I'm gonna try one more piece of this. I love that. It's a very nice dose of sugar here. It's a lot of sugar. So remember, the frappe, I had my frappe with no sugar. One more sip of the frappe and we go back to this great kataifi, and we're gonna get a bigger cut this time. Now you can see the nuts here, they're all grounded, they're all soaked in that delicious Greek honey. So delicious and so flaky. And look at that, so delicious. Wonderful flavors. One more bite of this baklava. I think I'm gonna finish this in so soon. I might go back again for two more. I love the frappe, I love the baklava and the kataifi. Cheers to this beautiful food. Cheers to all of you guys. So now I'm having a drink with you guys. That's the Ouzo, the famous drink in Greece. Beautiful, it gives you a buzz actually, very strong. I'm just gonna have a sip just to cheers with you this beautiful experience. I love this crowd, I love this food. Everything was wonderful. Thank you very much guys for watching me. I appreciate your company. And if you have any questions, don't forget to drop me a comment below. Please like and share and subscribe to my videos and my YouTube channel. I look forward to see you everybody again in a different stop, different beautiful event. Cheers to all of you and this great, beautiful Greek people. Yes to Greece.